This is a DIYNate production. Thanks for watching.
This simple repair here, we've got a screw bolt that has busted through and it's stripped itself, and so we don't really have anything to grip on.
So what you're going to see, I'm using a pair of pliers here, and because the bolt is so rusted and stripped out, there was just a little bit of a head on the bolt, and so I'm using the pair of pliers to slowly extract it and twist the bolt in reverse direction to get what I can out. Now the great part about this is if you're able to get the bolt out, you can then take it to a hardware store and have it matched for the right size that you need.
There's our piece. It almost looks like this goes with that. Kinda. Perfect fit. Nice. It's gonna be awesome. I think I'm gonna have to bore that hole out a little bit. So we're boring the hole out here. So we need a little extra.
Alright, so now in this segment, what you're seeing is you just saw me using the drill to bore out the hole because I was having trouble lining up the bolt that I had. And I was really fortunate. I actually had a bolt laying around on the deck that actually fit the exact size that I was looking for. Most people aren't going to be that lucky. If you don't have a bolt, you're probably going to have to go to the hardware store. But in my case, I bored out that hole to give me some room so that I could tighten the bolt through the chair backing into the chair frame. So that's what you're seeing me do here, using those pliers to kind of thread that in. It's a little bit of, had to put a little bit of pressure on it to make it work.
That's going to be a perfect fit, surprisingly. Just got to bore this thing out a little bit. Alright, so I was able to find a matching piece that came out of something else, and I was able to get it threaded through the hole here. And now we have repaired the chair, more or less. I'm finishing off with an Allen wrench and just tightening it in here. I had to manipulate it a little bit and bore out the hole so that the threads would line up from this mismatching bolt. That's now been fixed. The chair is back to normal.
Alright, this has been another episode of DIYNate. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, and check out my website if you get a chance. In the comments, you can find out how to get there. Really appreciate all the support and hope you save a couple bucks with this one. Thanks. Have a great day.